Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. Today is the first day where it doesn't feel like if you step outside you're just gonna immediately start sweating. So I am so excited to take advantage of this nice fall weather. I've got lots of fun and cozy things planned for today, so I think we should start off by going and get a fall treat. That sounds so nice. So yeah, let's go ahead and go. I've got my pumpkin chai, so let's do a little taste test. So good. Back home now. I'm so happy that I was able to find the cinnamon bun bookstore. Like I said in my last video, I wanted to read this one over the pumpkin spice cafe, so I was really happy that I was able to find this. And then from American Eagle, I found the Snoopy fall socks that match my fall pajamas. So now I have the complete pajama set and I'm so happy. These are so cute. And then lastly, I went to Michael's and picked up a craft pumpkin. I thought it would be really fun to do a painting activity and just put on a movie in the background and just get creative. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. The perfect idea. It feels literally amazing outside. I'm sitting on my couch reading, wondering why am I reading inside when I can be reading outside in this perfect weather. So that is what we're going to do, and let me just show you how pretty it is. To unwind and get cozy for the rest of the night. I've got the baking bug ever since fall started. I'm obsessed with baking right now, so I think I'm gonna make some s'mores dip. I'll insert a picture right here if you don't know what I'm talking about. It sounds delicious, so let's go ahead and get started on that.